Welcome back to my Shorts&Unboxing channel for all things WWE and Country music, for all things Shorts&Unboxing. So I already opened this box. I bought this box through eBay, and I'll put a price right here. I'll put a price right over here, and yeah, let's open this box. Oh yes. So I have here the Royal Rumble 2024. And the reason why I bought this DVD is because I'm starting my collection of my 2024 DVDs. So I bought this, and I'll put a price in this video so you guys can see how much that I bought this from, and I'll put in this video for you. So yeah, this is the 2024 Royal Rumble. And I'll show you. I'll show you that, the Royal Rumble spine, and these are the matches. We got your Fatal 4-Way match for the Undisputed Championship. For the United States title, Logan Paul versus Kevin Owens. Then you got your men's Royal Rumble match, the winner being Cody Rhodes. And the women's Royal Rumble, the winner being Bayley. And let's see what the runtime is. The runtime is 3 hours. This is a 3-hour DVD. And that's it for this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, ring the bell for all notifications for all things Shorts&Unboxing.